Alright, this is a light that you plug into the wall, and at night you can turn it on so you can see when you come out to go to the bathroom or something, or you need to walk to the kitchen. Just put this night light on and it just shines up, I guess. Anyways, it burnt out, doesn't work anymore. I thought, why don't I take it apart? I just have to figure out which device goes in there and we can start prying this sucker apart. Got this guy, Jacami. Are you jocking with me? 145 INT. This is a beautiful set that I just got because I've been taking more things apart. So right now I have to figure out to look at these and go, which one of those is shaped like this thing? Now this looks like it's got 3 points on it, and in here, let's see what's got 3 points. It looks like that one, but that has 4 points. Well, these are like a triangle. Before I even put it into the thing, I just go like that. No, that's not the one. Maybe I don't have what it takes. Maybe I don't have what they want. These ones right here are 3, I believe. Yeah, I think those are 3s. Oh yeah, I can feel that that one works. So it's either that one or the next biggest one. I think this is a better size. Stick that in there. We're ready to go. Just gonna stick it in there. I guess it's magnetic. Start to see it cracking open there. It's ready to come apart. It really stick on there. Ooh. What do we got here? I don't know, man. What do we got? There's the light. Oh, you can see white crusty stuff on the battery there. I don't want to touch that. Now we've got these screws here. Those look like 4. Do you know what the 4 screw thing is? Alright, let's do this thing. So they cheaped out. They didn't give you screws there. They just gave you these 2 screws here. That's fun. Magnets are fun. Now you got all of this stuff. Got this battery pack here. Yeah, see, it connects there and there. So I don't know how you change that. That piece. This piece. These things can just pop off like that. It doesn't really want to come out of there. Got more. We got another screw here. So obviously this isn't a how to fix it video. If I knew how to fix it, I definitely would fix it, but I don't know how to fix it. But I just like taking things apart and seeing what's on the inside. Also, you get some screws out of it. And I'll throw the plastic into the plastic recycling. I'll try to fix it. Oh, that just pops right out. You got this piece. You could keep that for something. You've got this cool piece. You could put that on the front of your car if you're making a little car. You got all this stuff. You got this thing here and all that stuff there. And you got these things connected back here. Pretty basic, I guess. And here's your on-off switch and your lights in here. Yeah, maybe one day I'll take an electronics course and figure this out. Ooh, this thing came out. That piece. Aha. That's got a screw in it. I think that went there and there. No, it went up here, there. That go there. These guys are all over the place. Ooh, that's cool. So yeah, this is the plastic that's in there. This is probably something. This is the green stuff that was lodged through there. These are all the wires. This is another, this is the mother of all motherboards. These are the triple pack batteries. I guess that's what's ran out. You can see, don't touch that stuff. It's probably bad for you. Got a few screws over here. This one I can't get out. Too lazy to get out. You got your lights and your light holder. It's very cheap plasticky stuff. There you go. That's what's inside. I'll put a link to this in the description. If I've found it quite handy. And these too. These vampire tools, they're very strong. They're actually, this is actually for something else though. I think it's for getting bolts off that are really hard to get off. It's got special teeth and stuff. I'll put that in the description. Whatever. Tools I use, tools I'm getting familiar with. And that's it. Hope you had fun. What are we going to take apart next? I don't know. Let's break it down. It's a total breakdown.